Step number 1, come over to this website, earn money watching new videos online, click on get started. Step number 2, log into your dashboard and watch video number 1, video number 2, video number 3, video number 4 and video number 5, and you will earn a total of $4 online so far. Step number 3, wait 34 seconds before you can claim your earnings online. Step number 4, build your account balance and collect all of your earnings online. I've earned about $50.35 watching videos online so far. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid watching simple videos online with this brand new website that you have not seen before. This is a website that is paying really well. It's not a website that operates on points where you earn 5 to 10 points per video. This pays direct cash to your account. So these couple of videos over here are paying between 60 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. I think the biggest video I had was about $4 for watching that simple 34-second video. So it all depends on what kind of videos you get, but the minimum one you'll have is about 32 cents, which is still a lot for just 34 seconds of your time. Yes, 1 cent is not a lot of money, but if you add it up over time, you will see how much it actually accumulated to the point that I've got $50.35 so far. But just a disclaimer, this is not a platform that's going to make you super rich, so you won't earn thousands of dollars with this. This is the kind of platform that you will earn 20, 30, 40 bucks maybe in a day or a couple of days, but you can take that money, invest it into something like trading, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, and scale and use that money to start a business and earn even more money online, because money makes money for itself. So this is just a great way to collect that initial startup. Before we get started, make sure you hit that notification bell down below so that I can send you a personal notification every time I upload a brand new and epic video just like this one. Also, leave a like on this video. It really helps me out, it pumps me up, and it also helps out the algorithm. And also, comment down below if you have a question or something positive, and I'll reply to your comments. And you're also welcome to DM me on Instagram over here if you want to chat to me personally. Before we get started, I want to show you live proof from this and earnings that I have earned from this. So as you saw in the intro of this video, I've earned $50.35 from doing this so far and watching all of these videos online. So just to show you, if I right click on reload, give it a couple of seconds, and there you can see that this is my live dashboard and that I have earned from this. This website pays directly via PayPal money, web money, Bitcoin, and more options as well, including direct to bank. Obvious and biggest platforms on this website is PayPal and most likely Bitcoin. I personally like to withdraw via Bitcoin because Bitcoin appreciates and depreciates a lot in value, so its money can make money for itself while you just invest your money into Bitcoin. I'm also going to show you an easy step-by-step process on how you can do this, how you need to sign up, and how you need to optimize your account to make the most earnings from this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google, and you want to type in the following: set up VPN for Chrome. Just search for Chrome, and you want to have the Chrome web browser for this. That's the current browser I'm on Windows. You can get it for MacBook as well. Click on set up VPN for lifetime free VPN over here. Click the add to Chrome button over here. Mine just says remove from Chrome because I've already added it. I already use it for the strategy. You will see on the top right of your Chrome browser over here, click on the set up VPN. It will pop down on your browser like this. Click on continue as free user, scroll down and click on United States over here. So now your PC will be connected to the United States. Why we are doing this is because this website over here that we're going to use to make money watching videos favors people from the first world countries. So if this website sees you're from the United States, it's going to give you more videos that pay you more, because it sees you from a first world country, a more wealthier country, because they want to target that audience. So make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this website just in a bit. The next step is click on sign up on the top right of this website over here. Enter your first name, your last name, your birthday, gender, email, and password. Check that I'm not a robot. Click on create account, and it will take you to your dashboard that looks like this, where you'll be able to see your total views, your watch balance, and your total account balance so far. So for example, this video number 1 over here, I'm going to take you through the entire process. You're going to get paid 61 cents if you watch 34 seconds of this video. So take a look at this. If I click on play, the video will continue to play, and as soon as this blue bar hits all the way to the 10, and then the 34 seconds at the end over here, you will get an additional 61 cents to your watch balance and your account balance. It will pop up with a big blue complete button like this. Click on complete. It will load a couple of seconds. It will prompt you with a successfully completed, you received 61 cents message on your screen over here. You'll see my watch balance has gone up by 61 cents and my account balance has gone up by 61 cents to now $50.96, and my total view count went up by 1. Let's do this again and make some more money together. So I'm going to choose video number 2 where I will earn 32 cents. Let's click on play over here and wait 34 seconds. So here you'll see the video will take a couple of seconds to load up. You can actually tell this is just a standard YouTube video, so it's not like spammy videos or anything like that. It's just random videos on YouTube that you have to watch. This video will then count to 34, so you've got 10, 11, 12. I'm going to take you live through this, and I'll skip to when we get to close to 34 seconds. Once that is complete, click on the big blue complete button. It will then refresh your dashboard, and again you'll be prompted with the same message: successfully completed, you've just received 32 cents. My view has gone up by 1, my balance is now at 51.28, and my account balance is at 51.28. You can go and do the same for video number 3, video number 4, and video number 5 and make this money online. When you're ready to withdraw, hover over the account option on the top right, click on withdraw. You can go and withdraw via PayPal, WebMoney, Western Union, or Payoneer. So you can click on the withdraw option over here of $80. Same with WebMoney and same with Payoneer. So all of these platforms are offered worldwide. I know if you don't have PayPal in your country, you can go and use Payoneer, WebMoney, or Western Union over here. And here's another little hack for you guys. What you can go and do is I've created a brand new account over here on the screen. I watched 1 or 2 videos, and you can go and create multiple accounts and watch videos on multiple accounts at the same time, earning off multiple different accounts. What I suggest is if you want this to work, connect your VPN to multiple different countries on these different accounts to successfully get more and more videos to watch at the same time. If you at least want to double your income with this, hover over my account and click on referral. So click on referral, it's going to take you to this website over here. You will earn an extra $1 for every friend that signs up. So you can earn by referring others to register. Here is your affiliate link over here. You can copy this. You can come over to the internet on Google and just search make money online forums. And what I suggest you do is click on enter and go and search for a whole bunch of forums. Here's the first one, trendry.com. Click on, right click, open a new tab. I'm going to open up this forum over here and take a look at these forums over here. This forum called Make Money has got 1.3 million views so far, over 26,000 messages, and over 7,800 threads. So let's say out of these total views, even just 200 people sign up, that is going to be over here $200 in referral balances. So now what you need to do is just copy your link, come back to this Make Money Online forum, click on this forum, go to each and every one of these forums, reply to every single comment, every single post, and every single thread. Even take a screenshot of your total watch balance over here and tell people, guys, this is what I earned in about 2 minutes 80 just watching videos on this brand new website. If you want to earn this yourself by just watching simple 34-second videos, here's proof for me doing this. Here's the link. You can go and sign up. And the reason why this will convert very well is because firstly, you're showing them proof. People want to see this proof. If they can see it's working for you, they will try it themselves. So come over to the forum, continue to sign up over here, and just go and reply to every single person on this forum and get as many signups as possible. If you think about it, an extra 50 signups per day is an extra $50 just from the referral program, never mind from just watching videos. So if you accumulate a total of, say, $20 in a day watching videos and $50 in signups, that's an extra $70 a day. If I go 70 times 30, that's an extra $2,100 a month. Times 12, that's an extra $25,000 a year just watching videos and referring people to watch videos with you. It's actually quite a fun business. Some of these videos are quite interesting. As you saw, it's just random videos off of YouTube. So as you can see, this is not millions of dollars online, but it's such a great side hustle to start, and this website is fairly brand new and its referral program is unlimited. There's no amount of cap that you can refer people. If you can refer 100 people, you get $100. If you can refer 500,000 people, you get $500,000 to this website. So it all depends on how much traffic you can get to this and how many videos that you can watch. But if you want to know what I do to earn a full-time income from home, I've set up an entire 7-minute free training over here. It's a concept called drop servicing, where I sell rare high-income skills and services around the world, similar to drop shipping, but instead of products, it's now services, without actually doing that work myself. So why I chose services: firstly, deliveries are much faster. There's no products that you have to ship. It's all digital. Profits and margins is much more than that of drop shipping. So if you want to go and get a 7-minute free training on this, you can click on the first link in the description and you will see exactly what's in this, all my results from this, and how you can get started. But without further ado, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and make sure you subscribed, and make sure you're ready for tomorrow's video. It's going to be an awesome banger. But guys, click on this video over here on the screen, or this playlist over here. It's a free course that I've compiled for you on YouTube with the best videos that my viewers get the most results from. So go and click on this over here, and hopefully you get tons of value. But take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.